Rising costs are a major challenge for businesses today. Many companies struggle to manage budgets, optimize resources, and stay profitable. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, is making a real difference. AI helps businesses reduce costs by automating repetitive tasks. The technology improves efficiency and supports better decision-making. Repetitive tasks automated with AI are completed at a faster rate and with fewer errors. AI helps to save time and resources. One of the biggest benefits of AI is automation. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer queries. Similarly, HR systems can screen CVs, and data entry can be automated. This reduces labor costs and improves accuracy. AI also supports predictive maintenance. AI can predict equipment failures before they happen by analyzing real-time data. This helps businesses avoid downtime. It helps to reduce repair costs and extend asset life. In supply chains, AI improves inventory planning and demand forecasting. Businesses can maintain optimal stock levels. AI also helps to reduce waste and respond faster to market changes. AI enables data-driven decisions by analyzing large volumes of data quickly. It helps identify patterns and optimize pricing. The technology personalizes customer experiences and improves operational efficiency. AI delivers long-term savings and higher productivity. When applied correctly, AI becomes a powerful tool for growth. At Chilliapple, we help businesses adopt AI in practical, cost-effective ways, so you can reduce expenses and increase profitability with confidence.